I'm Susan, and I'm a co-director for the Urban Systems MEL. Urban population is growing and will continue to grow over the foreseeable future. And that population means that cities are changing dramatically and will change dramatically over the working life of students today. So this Urban Systems MEL is really intended to address all the complexities associated with that growth. This is a really exciting program specifically designed for people that are working in industry to come back and increase their knowledge relating to the integration of urban systems. The Urban Systems MEL has been very successful in bringing together students from an array of different backgrounds, mostly civil engineering, but also architecture, planning, systems engineering, to work together on various projects within the Urban Systems program. This program is among the top of the world in terms of being able to address the sustainability issues that your generation will face and are facing now. Imagine at the end of your career, looking over the last 40 years and saying, wow, I've been part of a group of people who has positively influenced thousands of people's lives.